magnolias, of course, you can be in downtown Boston and you can look at all the beautiful magnolias out there, those huge magnolias. They're mostly white and they come out nice and early, and sometimes they can actually get zapped by frost. But there's all sorts of varieties of magnolias. I'm going to show you one in a video in just a second. But for example, this particular magnolia here is called Butterflies. And look at the yellow color. So sometimes we don't even think of magnolias as being yellow, and these are absolutely stunning. I want to show you one from my yard, then we'll come back and I'll show you a couple of more that I have at the desk. So this particular one here is Betty. I took this yesterday, and it's just blooming so beautifully. It's a wonderful purple magnolia. Now, one of the problems with the magnolias around here is if you get an early, or I should say a late frost, they can get zapped a little bit by that frost, but it doesn't always happen like this one. Even though I was 33 degrees a couple of mornings ago, still looked pretty good. And look at that. And then further in the backyard, we have some of the other saucer magnolias. That one's white, and you can see here it's sort of a white pink. Notice the petals on the end. They just got a touch of frost. But you can look for different magnolias with different types of color. Here's a list of some of the ones I have on the desk here, and you can see we've got a Coral Lake, the purple hybrid, the saucer, the stellata. That's the smaller one in Butterflies, which I showed you. And let's come back, and I want to show you the purple hybrid. I love this one. Look at this. Look at the dark color here. So if you're looking for something that's a little different, you can go with some of these hybridized versions. Coral Lake is absolutely stunning in terms of that color. It really has that wonderful coral color. And all of these just do really well here, except if we get a late frost. Anna?